Alright, Grace, it's your first time bowling. Roll it hard! Roll it hard! No, not with your foot, but... Hey, Grace, do you think it's going to ever get there? Well, it is going. What do you think, Grace? It didn't make it. That's okay. No, Grace, come here. Was it fun? We'll roll it a little harder next time, okay? And we're not going to use your foot. We have to use our hands, okay? I'll teach you how.